In this video, I'll be showing you how to fold away one of these pop-up green screens. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video. Now if you've clicked on this video, the chances are you've probably been wrestling with one of these pop-up green screens and you're struggling to get it back in its bag and all folded away. Well, today I'm going to show you a method that is quick and easy to remember, and that method is what I like to call the taco method. Now the reason I like to call this the taco method is because we're going to start by taking our green screen and we're going to fold it like this so it looks like a giant taco. Now when you have your giant taco, we now want to fold it back on itself. Now when we do this, what you'll notice is that the green screen wants to fold itself away. It naturally tries to form that shape that you're looking for, which is a big circle. Let's see that one more time. We make a giant taco, we fold the taco back in on itself, and then the green screen will naturally take its shape, the shape that you're looking for, which is the big circle. In it goes, just like that, and there you have it. Put it back in the bag, job's a good one. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it the old thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, you can subscribe by clicking just over here. And if you'd like to watch another video, you can do that by clicking here. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.